Cloud just shipped an update that fixes a security gap most people running AI agents didn't even know existed. If you're using AI to run tasks in your business right now, especially anything with multiple agents working at once, this one actually matters. Let me walk you through exactly what changed and why it's a bigger deal than it sounds. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business. And he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one game plan call and we'll give you a step-by-step roadmap so you can reach $10,000 a month and more with AI and digital products. All the links are in the description of this video. For anyone who's not familiar with it yet, Claude is Anthropic's AI coding agent. It lives in your terminal, reads your files, writes code, runs commands, and handles whole tasks on its own. And one of the most powerful things it can do is spin up what's called sub-agents, basically smaller AI agents that branch off and handle pieces of a job in parallel. Think research, writing, and checking work all happening at the same time instead of one step after another. This new update, version 2.1.178, is mostly about making those sub-agents safer and easier to control. And honestly, that's the part that should get your attention. So here's the first real change. Claude's permission system just got a lot more precise. Before this, you could block an entire tool, something like don't let Claude use the edit tool at all. But you couldn't get specific about it. Now you can. The update adds a new syntax that lets you write rules based on the actual parameters a tool is using, and it supports a wildcard so one rule can cover a whole category at once. One of the examples Anthropic gave is being able to block a sub-agent from running on a specific model entirely. So instead of an all or nothing setup, you can now say something like, you're allowed to read and search everything, but you can only edit files inside this one folder. That's a real shift if you're trying to give an agent enough freedom to be useful without giving it enough freedom to break something. Now here's the part that actually matters most, and it's a security fix, not just a feature. Before this update, there was a real gap in how sub-agents got launched. The main agent, the parent, would decide to spin up a sub-agent to help with a task. But that sub-agent could sometimes get launched before the permission system actually checked it against your rules. Not because anything was broken on purpose, just because the check wasn't happening early enough in the sequence. So in theory, a sub-agent could end up requesting something it should have been blocked from doing, and it would already be running before anyone caught it. In 2.178, that's fixed. Sub-agent spawns now get evaluated by the classifier before they're allowed to launch at all. So the order is, parent agent decides to create a sub-agent, the system checks that sub-agent against your rules, and only then does it actually start. No more gap. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Here's why I'm spending this much time on what sounds like a small backend fix. The whole point of running multiple AI agents at once is that you stop babysitting every single step. You set the rules once at the top, and you trust the system to hold those rules all the way down, even through agents that the main one spins up on its own. If sub-agents can drift outside your rules, even by accident, you can't actually trust the setup. You're back to watching every move it makes, which kind of defeats the purpose of using agents in the first place. This fix closes that gap. You set your boundaries once, and now they actually hold parent agent and every sub-agent it creates. Picture this. You've got Claude Code helping you manage content for your business. One agent's pulling research, one's drafting, one's reviewing before anything goes out. You tell the system, don't touch the folder with your financial records, don't touch your client contracts. Before this update, if the main agents spun off a sub-agent to help with a task, there was a small chance that sub-agent slipped past your rule, not maliciously, just because the check happened too late. Now, that risk is gone. The rule gets enforced before the subagent is even allowed to start. That's the kind of fix that doesn't show up in a flashy demo, but it's exactly the kind of thing that decides whether you can actually trust an agent system to run unsupervised. And this is actually part of a pattern with Claude Code right now. Anthropic's been pushing updates at a fast pace, and a lot of the recent ones aren't flashy new features. They're trust and reliability fixes. Tighter permissions, closing security gaps, making the system behave the way you'd expect instead of needing constant supervision. That's not a small thing. That's actually the difference between an AI agent being a fun toy you babysit and being something you can build a real scalable workflow around. You don't scale a system you don't trust. You scale one that follows the rules you set every single time without you having to check its work constantly. So if you're running any kind of multi-agent setup with Claude Code, or even just starting to dip your toes into it, this update is worth grabbing. It's a quick update, and it closes a real gap that mattered if you were relying on sub-agents to stay inside their lane. As more of these fixes stack up, the gap between AI agents that are fun to mess around with and AI agents you can actually run your business on keeps getting smaller. And that's the part worth paying attention to. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.